Good morning, everyone. This is Linda. Happy Friday, you all. Yeah, the sun is rising, so it's about, I want to say 7:30, 8 o'clock, somewhere in the area. But I'm just walking around in the garden, seeing how everything is growing out here. Yeah, but I'm hanging out with my girl this morning. Yeah, Tosh Time. Yeah, what? Yeah. Keep pushing. Yeah, guys, so we're going to sit down and we're going to have a little chat. Yeah. Tasha's inspired me this morning. All right. I want to thank you all for stopping by and just spending some time with me. Yeah. I was contacted by one of my supporters. They would like to know if I would help them start a container garden on their balcony. And of course, I said yes. So this is part one of a three-part series on growing your vegetables container gardening on your balcony. Yes, yes, yes. So today I'm going to talk to you about herbs, and herbs is a great plant. They are great plants to grow on your balcony. They're not only great for the smell, just for your psyche, but of course you can eat it and they're delicious. Yes. So I would tell you that the first thing you should do is go in your kitchen and go to your cabinet and see what herbs do you purchase. Yeah. So the herbs that you purchase, those are the herbs you should grow. Or if there is an herb that you would like to have, then that's the herb you should grow. Just growing something because you can grow it, you think you could grow it, or putting it in soil is just a waste. And no, you don't want to waste, right? There was this young lady who, this was her first time gardening, and she got her husband to make all these raised beds. And let me just say, I told her, I said, ma'am, I think you should, plant, one or two plants, not, a lot at one time, since this is your first time growing. And her thing was, she says, I believe in going big or go home. I'm like, okay. But when it was time to harvest, it was just too much for her. By the end of the day, she had about 20 raised beds, and it was just too much. And I know a lot of those vegetables went to waste because she had her family of three, and it was just too much for her. So don't overdo it. Don't overdo it. Start small. Yeah. So herbs. Herbs can be planted in one big pot. Yes. Or you can plant them individually. Yes, you could plant them individually. Now, there are some herbs that you should plant in their own space. Herbs like mint and peppermint, spearmint, thyme plants. They need to be in their own space because the mints, they like to take over everything. Yeah. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to, on our next series, our next part, I'm going to show you the equipment you should buy, the pots and the soil. But we are not going to go crazy. We're not going by all kinds of fertilizers. And no, we're not going to do that because that is not necessary. No. So we're going to start small and we're going to have some big, healthy plants. All right, guys. So I hope that you stay at least come by tomorrow for part 2 of this series on container gardening on your balcony. Yes. All right, guys. I hope this video inspires you to grow something, even if it is in a container. You can have beautiful, beautiful vegetables in your container. Also, I want to say this is that if you receive food stamps, listen, Walmart, I know about Walmart. Walmart will accept your food stamp to purchase your seedlings. All seedlings that are edible, you can purchase at Walmart with food stamps. Yes. So just because you don't have the money to do this, I understand. But anyway, guys, I hope you all, some of you all have received something from this video. And yeah, come back tomorrow and we'll talk more about your equipment you need for your balcony garden. All right, guys. Later, y'all.